So how to add your Ryanair boarding pass to Apple Wallet. So to add your Ryanair ticket to Apple Wallet, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up the Ryanair app. And as soon as you've signed in, it should bring you to this page here. And you should see your flight information right here where the arrow is pointing on screen. So as you can see for our example, we've got a Stansted to Milan flight. So you just want to go ahead and click on it. Then once you've selected your flight, it should bring you to this page here. And if you've already checked in, you should see this boarding pass option right here. So you want to go ahead and select that. Then once you've done that, it will then bring you through to this page here. And you simply just want to select View Boarding Pass. Then once you've done that, it will then bring up your boarding pass. And nice and simple, you just want to select Add to Apple Wallet. Then once you've done that, just select Add right at the top. And then nice and simple, your boarding pass is now added to Apple Wallet. So if you go ahead and open it up, you should see your Ryanair flight right there, making it easy for when you go to the airport. And that is pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.